So we're going to try to attempt to build the potty pen. So we didn't want it to be on, the main backyard area, because, we just didn't want pee and poo on this to mess this up. So we have this whole side over here. See, we have this whole area over here. It's kind of like divided. So this whole area over here is kind of not tend to. We want to cement all of this eventually and just extend it to have like an extended patio. So this is where we're gonna put his potty pen. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so as you can see, we have both of the sides right there. So Mom is cutting the third piece of side in half.
Look at this. This actually cuts. I'm like so excited about this.
She's cutting it in half so we could fill in on that other part, and I think it's gonna work perfect.
Yes. Yes, breakthrough. Woo. All right.
Okay.
Let's see. Yes. Okay, just need you to grab that in.
Okay, so we're gonna fill in the other side.
What? Go. You step now. Oh, yeah. Just like on Survivor. Teamwork. Now throw it. Really? We might have a little. Really, honey? Just grab it.
Oh, I know.
Oh.
We filled it in. It looks so nice, guys. So we just have this little corner right here that we need to cut.
We need to cut it. All right, you can get in there and do the honors. You need me to lift it up some? Huh? Yeah, cut like that, like you cutting in a angle. I didn't mean that. I said in an angle. Look, you're just gonna go just like that. Yeah, yeah, right there. Perfect. See that? Look, that's good.
Can we put that over there? We finished!
Yay!
See that, guys?
Oh shoot, 30 minutes. I'm gonna be taking. It'll be time for my.
We're all done.
So I can show you.